Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The Dash is here. Today I will show you the best attachment in ICR, assault rifle gun. So let's begin. So I kept in as a second loadout because ICR accuracy is very perfect. Now I will show you the attachments. Be very careful. Muzzle is not here. That is very good, very bad for those player who camp a lot. Barrel C. I can also take this or this, but I have taken this because I see I have a high accuracy. I have to be a silent because if I not be a silent, then enemy can spot my location. So YKM integral suppressor light is the first attachment. Second, if those players who need optic they can attach, I will tell them later which attachment you should use to substitute another attachment. Now stock. ADS speed is very ADS speed will increase, but don't take this. If you are a slide gamer, means you slide and then shoot. It slide happen only the fast running movement only. I will tell you why I am saying that. So those players who need higher ADS, you can take this, no problem. Or take this. This will be better than this. See bullet spread accuracy minus bullet spread accuracy is 3 different. The best is I think this. Because his mobility is higher. Movement speed. If you take a gun, then you can easily move it. But I recommended this. Those people who haven't the accuracy of this. It will reduce only movement speed of ADS by aiming. You can also choose this, but I have referred to choose this because ADS speed will increase, but this will increase your accuracy. I don't need so much ADS speed. Okay, let's go. This is must, guys. This is must. This is must because it increases accuracy. If I use this, no, it will not affect in longer range enemy. It will not all. It also not affect. It both are same, but speed to fire speed increase means mobility type increase. So I refer to this to use in ICR. Underband no need because it has only have high accuracy. Guys, see, don't reduce so much ADS speed because ADS speed can cause your death also. If you do ADS speed slower, so slower, then the front enemy can take off in the quick action. If you are a hip fire, means you are a hip fire in the close and that end is nice. Now this, both are same, but we need movement speed. Means ADS speed reduce only. Oh no, sorry, reload speed. So I referred these two. Both have same disadvantages in three mags. I refer this because it carries 50 bullets. So use this. And real grip obviously this, not this and this. It is right to it increase accuracy. I prefer to this also as use, but I use it because so much ADS I need. See, there is one plus of ADS and there is reduction one and add one means totally a balance. That is the acquired attachment. So I guys prefer to use as substitute any attachment to use optic is this, because it does not affect. See, 79, 77, 70, it does not. You can not take this, you can take ADS. Those people who need ADS, means I will tell a problem, I will solve a solution like this. Don't take this. If you want to use optic, then replace it as optic. Now, what I said that how to increase ADS by not using any attachment. My guys, this is a perk. Oh, my guys is calling. What shit? Don't disturb me. I ignore. So see, I use this agile. Everyone knows what is agile. If you going at a fastest movement of your speed of your movement, the object magnetic speed is increased and the aim time of the weapon after spitting is reduced. It means that if you aim while moving a high speed, then it will be a best. It increase your ADS speed. So I refer to use this. Only if you doing slide, mainly slide happen only if you are doing fast movement. So use this agile. Nothing this. This is not. If you doing hard point, then use this. If you are means if you get so much trip mine, then use this. It is very what can I say? It's not good. Lightweight, So I use agile because object magnetic speed increase and aiming time of weapon after speed is reduced. So that's my opinion, guys. Have and enjoy yourself. Bye.